Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Nissan Frontier tailgate. First, locate the handle, usually found in the center of the tailgate's exterior. With a firm grip, pull the handle upwards or outwards to disengage the latch. Then, gently lower the tailgate until it rests in a fully horizontal position. This simple process ensures easy access to your truck bed, whether you are loading cargo or preparing for an adventure. It is a straightforward operation for every Frontier owner. Many Nissan Frontier models come equipped with a convenient dampened assist system, allowing the tailgate to lower smoothly and without a sudden drop. This feature enhances both safety and ease of use. Before opening, always check that the area behind your truck is completely clear of any obstructions or people. Additionally, remember to avoid placing excessive weight, exceeding a few hundred pounds, on the open tailgate to prevent potential damage to the hinges or cables. Safety first. To keep your Nissan Frontier tailgate operating smoothly, regular maintenance is key. Periodically clean the latch and hinge areas, removing any dirt or grime that can accumulate. If you notice the tailgate sticking or becoming difficult to open, apply a small amount of silicone lubricant to the moving components. Always inspect for any debris, such as small rocks or leaves, that might be lodged in the latch mechanism, preventing a proper close. A little care goes a long way. Closing your Nissan Frontier tailgate securely is just as important as opening it. Begin by lifting the tailgate firmly from its horizontal position until it is almost vertical. Then, with a gentle yet firm push, move the tailgate inward towards the truck bed until you hear and feel it latch securely into place. Always double-check that it is fully closed by attempting to pull it open without engaging the handle. This ensures your cargo remains safe and secure during travel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.